how to make NSFW channel on Discord mobile. So if you want to make NSFW channel on your Discord mobile, then first you need to open up your Discord application. After opening your Discord, now you just need to simply go with your server. And then here you need to go with text channels. Tap and hold on to your text channels. And then scroll down and then go with create channel. Now give a new channel name. I'll just simply go with NSFW and then go with create. Once you've created the channel, you need to tap on the channel and then go with the name of the channel, which is on the top, and then go with settings. Now under settings here, if you scroll down, then you will have channel permissions. You need to go with the permissions to make sure that you've made this channel private. Go with yes and then go back, and here as you can see that you will have age restricted channel. So users will need to confirm they are of legal age to view the content in this channel. So you just need to simply go and turn on the age restriction. Go with save, which is on the top right, and that's it. That's how you can make NSFW channel on your Discord mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.